Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to enable the maintenance mode or coming soon mode in WooCommerce without any third-party plugin. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. If you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like e-commerce website, classified listing website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So I request to you, please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get started. Very fast, let's check which I am going to do in this tutorial. You can see currently I am visiting an e-commerce website which I built only for this tutorial purpose, and you can see this is the home page. If I navigate to the another browser, just already I have open this website with incognito mode, and you can see this is the website and the home page is live. If I navigate to another tab, and you can see where is the coming soon or maintenance mode is activate. Navigate to the another tab and you can see this is the shop page where is the maintenance mode is activated. That's mean if you want, then you can activate the maintenance mode for whole website, or if you want, then you can activate the maintenance mode only for the shop page, and definitely you can do it without any third-party plugin. That's why this feature is already available in WooCommerce and you can do it for the WooCommerce settings. So go to the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard and hover over on WooCommerce. Just click over here settings. This is the WooCommerce plugin settings area, and you can see it has lots of settings tab. General, product, shipping. Just we have to work with this tab where is the site visibility. Just click over here and check it. Currently the site is live, you can see, and I have to check this box. This is the radio button coming soon. That's why I want to activate the maintenance or coming soon mode. So click this radio button. If you click over here coming soon, then you can see new two options are open. Apply to store page only and share your site with a private link. Actually very fast, I want to activate the maintenance mode for whole website. That's why click and deselect it, then save changes. Okay, confirm. Just click over here switch and go to the website and check it. And this is the home page. Just refresh the page, and yes, you can see the maintenance mode or coming soon mode is works fine for the whole website. Okay, again go to the WooCommerce settings, and in this step I want to activate the maintenance mode only for the shop page. So go to the WooCommerce settings and you can see apply to store page only. Just click this toggle button and enable it, then save changes. Go to the website and check it. Just refresh this page and you can see the home page is live. So if I navigate to the shop page, just click over here and you can see the shop page is maintenance mode is activate here. That's mean this option is working perfectly. And there is another option, share your site with a private link. That's mean if any visitor is visit website, then they will be see the site is under construction. But if you want, then you can send the private link in anybody. Like if you want to give your friend or any other person, then you can do it. Okay, so actually I do not want activated, so select it and save changes. Just I want to activate the maintenance mode only for the shop page, and it works fine. So again, if you want to activate for the whole website, just click this toggle button and deselect it, then just keep here coming soon mode is activate. Okay, then save changes and again go to the website and check it. This is the website, and go to the home page. Okay, and you can see it works fine. Thanks for watching the video. And another thing is, already I have published lots of tutorials on WooCommerce. Like if you want to edit the checkout page, shop page or category page with Elementor, then you can visit my YouTube channel and WooCommerce tutorial playlist. Thanks for watching the video.